The purpose of this exercise is to teach you how to get descriptive statistics using the Data Analysis Tool Pack in Excel, as well as some of the functions embedded within Excel. You can see here that I've entered the data from Company S into Excel. Recall from the problem in the textbook that the company is interested in looking at the processing time for tax returns. In order to get our descriptive statistics, we must first select the data we would like Excel to use. We would like to look at the processing time variable. We do not need to get descriptive statistics on the return ID because it is not necessary to know the mean, median, mode, and so forth for the return ID. What we're really interested in are the descriptive statistics for the processing time. Once we have our data highlighted, we can go up to the Data ribbon and over to the Data Analysis Tool Pack button. We will then want to select Descriptive Statistics and click OK. We need to then tell Excel exactly what data we want used and remind it that we have a label in the first row. So we do not need Excel to use the word processing time at the top. That's simply a label for our column. So by checking this box, Excel knows to exclude that row and column B1 when running the descriptive statistics. We have this set up to pop out a table in a new worksheet ply, and we will label it descriptive statistics so that we can easily locate it once it is created. We also want to check the box for summary statistics. Once we have everything situated, we can click OK. And a new tab will open up that is called Descriptive Statistics, just as we had named it. And we can see that we need to resize a little bit so that we can see all the information. Excel has produced for us a number of important and useful descriptive statistics. We can see that our average processing time is 43.89 or 44. We can also get other statistics by using some of the formulas outlined in the textbook, like the quartiles. To get our quartiles, range, and interquartile range, we need to go back to the sheet that contains our data. For our first quartile, we simply enter the formula for the quartile, and let Excel know the range of the data we would like to use, which are all of our data points for processing time, and a number 1 to signify that we want the first quartile. And we can see that our first quartile value is 18.5. To get the third quartile, we use the same formula and the same data array, but we end with the number 3 to indicate that we would like the third quartile. So we know that our third quartile is 61.5. To get our range, we need to know our minimum and maximum values. To get our minimum value, we use the min formula and select the data we'd like to use. To find our maximum, we use the max formula. To get our range, we simply take the maximum, which is located in column E, row 7, and subtract from it the minimum in column E, row 6. So our range is 76. Now to get our interquartile range, we simply take quartile 3, which is located in column E, row 5, minus quartile 1, located in column E, row 4. So our interquartile range is 43. And that's how you can use the formulas in Excel to get additional information.